guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look. I forgot to film an intro, but here in a second you'll be in my beauty room and you can see all the good stuff there. If you want to see how I done this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to be using, this is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. Looks like this. And I got this in a Sephora Play. But I really do like this. It smells good, and that's what the consistency looks like. While that is setting on my face, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. And I'm using, this is the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon. And this is in the shade Deep Brown. Alright, now I'm using, this is the Rimmel London Brow This Way Brow Styling Gel with Argan Oil, and it is in the shade Dark Brown. Now for foundation, I'm using the Revolution. This is the Fast Base Foundation in the shade F1. I've got some dark circles going on today. Okay, for concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And this is in the shade Porcelain 320. Okay, to set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 05 Fair. This powder literally makes your face look cartoonish. Like, it doesn't look cakey or anything, it just looks like airbrushed. I love it. Okay, for contour, I'm using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. Chisel to Perfection. And then what I like to do is I take the Hard Candy Fast and Fabulous Translucent Loose Powder. And it is 100% white, and it does give flashback. But I don't set my face with it because it's really messy. What I like to do is I take a sponge and I just clean under this area really good. And my go-to bronzer is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the light bronzer. It's not the original, it's the light. And then I take the e.l.f. complexion brush. For blush, I'm using the Studio Makeup in Luminous Loose Blush. It's a really pretty coral. So what I like to do is just take the top, go in with my blush brush, dab a little bit because it's very pigmented. It's the Hard Candy Look Pro Illuminating and Strobing Mix in Drops. This is in the shade White Pearl. And what I'm going to do with this is use it as a base for my highlighter. And super glowy. But I'm going to go over that with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl. Just a white highlighter, and I'm taking an IT Cosmetics brush. It is the highlighting and define brush, and wait till you see how banging this is. I love this highlighter. It's my go-to. Put a little bit on the tip of my nose, forehead, and on the chin. I don't even care if we look like a Tin Man. I don't care. I love highlighter. It's my favorite part. I can go out of the house with highlighter, mascara, and a little bit of brow gel, and I'm good to go. Okay, for eyeshadow today, I'm going to go a little neutral. So I'm using the Too Faced Natural Love Palette. I love this palette. It's super cute and adorable. Alright, the first shade I'm going to go into is Honey Butter, which is a very pretty light peach. And this is a Kylie Jenner fluffy brush. It don't have a number or anything. I just use it as the blender crease brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a Makeup and Chill, which is a really pretty brown. Right here. I'm using a Vintage Company angled brush. Okay, with the e.l.f. Professional Blending Eye Brush, I'm going to go in with Stiletto Black. I'm going to go into Hot and Bothered, which is a very toasty shimmer color. I'm going to go in with Fairy Tale, a very pretty gold light champagne shimmer. And I'm just going to put that on the middle, and I'm just going to pat it. Now taking Poodle, I'm going to highlight the inner corner. And Heaven, which is a matte white, I want to highlight my brow bone. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Makeup and Chill. Okay, now with that Anastasia brush, I'm going to go back in with Fairy Tale, that light champagne color. And I'm going to drag it right here. Okay, for the eyeliner, I'm going to try and get the Mary Kay. I've never tried this before. It is the Mary Kay Jet Black Gel Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. For lashes today, I'm going to be trying out the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in Brassiere. Oh my gosh, look how pretty these are. They're gorgeous. These lashes are literally stunning. Look how pretty they are. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be using the MAC. This is Hot Like. It's what it's called, and it's like Alaya, something like that. I'm not really for sure. It's one of these collectors, but it's in the shade Hot Like. Ooh. Wow, that's really red. Okay, to tone that red down a little bit, because I thought it was going to be a little bit more on the brown side, I'm going to go over that with the MAC Foiled Retro Matte Lip Gloss. Well, there you go, guys. This is the full makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. I had so much fun doing it as always. Love the way this turned out. The eyelashes completely made the look complete. Like, I wasn't gonna lie, like this eye look is not my favorite that I've ever done, but it's very looks very nice with the eyelashes. The lip, I'm really liking the lip color. It looks a little darker now since I put the lip topper on. I highly recommend all these products to you guys. These are what I use pretty much every day. I'm very fair, as you can see. I'm super fair, and I am pinky undertoned, I would say. I'm not very yellow. Thank goodness today brands are making lighter shades, and also different deeper skin tones, different lighter skin tones. So I'm very, very glad about that. So I highly recommend to go check out these products I used. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Join the family. I'd love to have you all. I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribed. So I guess I'll talk to you all in my next video. I love you guys, and I hope you all have a great St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you all Tuesday. Love you guys. Bye.